Hi, this is Frank Konteski here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2013 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. You can see the extended swim platform when stepping onto the boat. Another nice feature is this has a fold down aft seat. So if you're anchored out, you can sit facing aft, checking out the views. Then when you're underway, this seat easily folds up. You can put there's isinglass for the entire boat. There is also a mooring cover for this boat as well. The seats are still in great condition. On the starboard side here, you have a nice Kenyan grill, refrigerator, sink, and a garbage. Moving to the helm, you can see that this boat comes equipped with a nice Raymarine screen. The vessel view screen, the motors have about 260 hours on them. Spotlight, push start, and electronic digital throttle. I'll let Pete look out onto the bow. You can see your spotlight, spot for fenders, and a windlass. Pete will go before me going into the cabin. On the port side, you have your galley area. Again, another sink with a cooktop. Cooktop looks like it's never been used. Facing forward, this is set up. You can have the table rise up, so you have a nice U-shaped seating around the table, or there is a filler cushion to make that a bed. On the starboard side, you have a great little sitting area. Here's your electronics board. You do have storage all the way around the boat. A lot of storage. A very nice size head for the 31. Got a lot of counter space in there. It is a wet head with a port window. Finally, you have the little aft cabin for sleeping one. You can fit two. Thanks for your time. If you want more information on this boat or any other boat that we offer, stop by our showroom in Brick. Thank you.